You meet someone new and suddenly your mind goes blank. You want to say, hi, but the words get stuck. Your heart beats fast. You know simple English, but it just doesn't come out smoothly. Don't worry, this happens to almost everyone. Today, we'll fix that together step by step so you can introduce yourself in English confidently and naturally, just like a fluent speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Welcome back to Shadow and Speak English Daily. In today's daily English practice, you'll learn how to introduce yourself confidently in English. You'll shadow real-life English sentences with me, repeat naturally, and build strong speaking rhythm. Ready? Let's begin your practice. Repeat after me slowly. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Now. Together. Hi, my name is Jessica. Hello. Keep your tone friendly and natural, not too fast. Let's make your introduction more interesting. Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I help people speak English confidently. I've been teaching for 5 years. Feel the rhythm of each sentence. Soft, clear, and confident. Now, let's add a personal touch. In my free time, I like reading and traveling. I enjoy meeting new people and learning about different cultures. I love listening to music when I relax. When you talk about hobbies, smile. It makes your voice sound more friendly. Now let's close your introduction politely. It's nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for listening. Now shadow the full introduction with me. Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher and I love helping people speak with confidence. In my free time, I enjoy traveling and listening to music. It's nice to meet you. Great job! You just practiced a confident, natural self-introduction. Let's focus on 2 tricky sounds. I'm. Say it like I'm, not I am. It's nice to meet ya. Shadow again and feel your fluency improving. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself confidently using clear, natural English. You practiced greetings, details, hobbies, and polite endings. Keep shadowing this video every day for 1 week. You'll sound more fluent and confident each time. And remember, every small practice builds your big success in speaking English. Great work today. I'm Jessica, and this is Shadow and Speak English Daily. Keep practicing your daily English speaking, follow your daily English practice, and always enjoy shadowing English with me. See you in the next video.